Okay. As an intro to the final part of the review guide, what we're going to do is look at solving equations. And for the solving equations, basically it comes up to three types. We're going to have type 1 problems. Type 1 problems, you're going to have a variable to a power equals a number. In type 1, all you do to get the variable by itself is this, comes to the other side by doing the reciprocal power. This is the reciprocal. Okay? So then this would be x equals 8, because it's the square root of 4, which is 2 to the third power, which is 8. Or plug that in your calculator. So that's type 1. Type 2 problems is going to look like this problem, except slightly different. If you had 3 to a variable power equals 8, obviously we don't know the answer to this. It's not a nice whole number. It's got to be something just under 2, because 3 squared would be 9. So in this case, what we're going to do is we are going to switch forms. So this we are going to BAP. So we're going to write this as log. Your base is 3. Your answer is 8 equals your power. Base, answer, power. And then we know what x is. X equals this log. And then we can just use the change of base formula. So this is log of 8 over log of 3, and that equals x, and then you would plug that in your calculator. Okay, so that's type 2. Type 3 would be if you had a log at the beginning. Log, let's say base 2 of 4x equals 3. So in this case, you're going to BAP, but you're going to go the other way. So here, you're going to write it as an exponential. 2, here's base, answer, power. So 2 to the power of 3 equals your answer, which is 4x. So 2 to the third equals 8 equals 4x. So x equals 2. Okay. So your first type of problem, you have a variable to a power, bring the power over by flipping the power to the reciprocal. Type 2 problems, you have a exponential, a number to a variable equals a number, so you're going to switch to log, base, answer, power. Just rearrange these values, base, answer, power. Type 3 problems, you're going to have the log in your original problem, and you're going to have a base and answer of power, and you're going to switch to exponential. So your base, which is 2, to the power of 3 equals your answer, which is 4x, and then you solve. So if you start with an exponential, you're going to switch it to log. There's your base, your answer, your power. If you start with a log in your problem, you're going to switch to exponential. Okay? So, let's do some problems.